Alright guys, we're going to do teriyaki salmon today. Get a piece of foil about this big, take some salt, lay it down in a little line. I like to do pepper next. Then I take my teriyaki. I'm using the P.F. Chang's teriyaki. Just put some of this right over the top of those. Next, you're going to take your salmon out of your bag. This can be frozen or thawed, doesn't really matter. Lay it on top of there. More salt, more pepper, more teriyaki. I like to have enough on there so that it has some nice juice to like kind of marinate in, and then we're going to fold it up. Take your two sides, bring them to the center, and then you're just going to fold it down a few times until you've got a good seal on it. I like to do about 3 times. Then you take your ends and just crimp them in toward the center. Now you've got a little pouch for your salmon. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 425 for about 30-45 minutes, depending on how done you want your salmon. All right, so we've gotten it out of the oven. We're gonna open it up now. Do this carefully because there's a lot of steam inside of here. And there you have your salmon. And you've got enough sauce in here to kind of pour over the top. So guys, if you like what we're doing here, definitely make sure to click that subscribe button, give us a like, and drop us a comment down below. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.